Today I'm testing something that every boater and fisherman rely on more than they realize: their phone. UltraGlass sent me one of their screen protectors to try out. And instead of testing it inside the house, I'm going to install it and see how it looks out in the Florida sun. Welcome back to the garage. Here is that new UltraGlass that we were just talking about. Let's get it unpackaged. Let's see what we got. So it is built to protect, bubble-free tech, scratch-resistant. It's got a silky touch and fingerprint-proof design. There we go. Screen protector. Upgraded lifetime warranty. All right. Clean the screen, remove the remaining dust, align the frame, swipe from left to right, wait 5 seconds, then take off the install frame. Use a scraper to push the bubbles. Step 1, we're going to clean the screen. Step 2, cleaning cloth. 3, we're going to get the dust off. Alrighty. First thing, I gotta get this old screen that's been on here for quite a while. This one, though, is going to help us with the glare. Step 1. If you had a screen protector on here already, the front's probably not that dirty, but the edges can be quite dirty. So this is an iPhone 16 Pro we're doing this on. I think that's sufficiently cleaned. Get all the bubbles off. Be good. Probably one of the nicer scrapers that I've ever seen get sent with these. Look at that. Nice. Now let's install the camera lens protectors. Nice. Interesting. That's so tiny you can hardly even see it. That's pretty cool. And if you ever got to take them out, you just use that to lift them back off. But, that's pretty nice. Usually they're really big. I thought this whole thing was going to be on here, but it just puts those little tiny circles over your lens protectors. So a lot of them, when you put them on there, you can't put your case back on, but this one, definitely pretty cool. All right, let's get back on the boat, see how it works. The big question for me is whether the screen protector affects how clearly I can see and use the phone outside. When I'm on the boat, I use my phone for weather forecasts, marine maps, taking pictures, recording video, and staying in touch with everybody at home. Between the bright sunlight, saltwater spray, fishing gear, and everything else that gets tossed around on a boat, having some protection on the screen just makes sense. We're now standing in direct Florida sunlight, which can make almost any phone screen difficult to see. I have the phone brightness turned up, and from this angle, the display looks clear and easy to read. The colors also look bright and natural. I'm not seeing any major haze or noticeable loss of image quality from the screen protector. There is still some normal reflection when the sun hits the phone at the right angle, but overall I can see it and use the display without any problem. Visibility is only part of the test. The screen also needs to respond properly. Swiping between the screens feels smooth, tapping the icons works normally, and pinch to zoom responds the way it should. After handling the phone for a little while, the screen has picked up a few fingerprints, but they wipe away easily with a microfiber cloth. I'm also going to continue using the protector during my normal fishing trips to see how it holds up around the boat. Based on the installation and my first test outside, the UltraGlass screen protector performed well and kept the display clear and responsive. The biggest thing for me is that I can see and operate my phone in direct sunlight. So far, it passes that test. UltraGlass provided the screen protector for me to try, but these are my first honest impressions. I've included the UltraGlass link in the description below, so you can look at the protector and decide whether it might be a good fit for your phone. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe to John Phillips Fishing, and until next time, tight lines.